First, as usual, we make a class name the name of the Java file, yes, and make a main method. We have to know what's if statement. It's a condition. If it's verified, the code inside its work. Like if we write if and write anything we need to compare anything we need to compare it, and inside the if we make our code. For example, age, it's 99. It's not real. I am not 99. And we make if the age equal 99, please write welcome to older club. See the result, it's work. If we change the 99 and write 6, for example, there's nothing. Why? It's not verified. Okay, we put a double equal, not 1 equal, because 1 equal for define, but 2 equal to compare. We have in math in Java for a comparison, we have equal for the first thing, it's equal to another thing. And we have a bigger than equal and equal. If the first thing is bigger than and equal the another thing, smaller than and equal, we can remove the equal, only bigger or smaller. That's for a math. I will to make an application for test our information about this if statement about the math. And we remind the previous videos and information to make this application. We make an application for a degree, for school or a university or anything you need. First, we write to the user to enter your grade. Forget that to import the scanner, and we make an object for scanner. We make scanner, for example, KBD equal new scanner, and write system dot. We need first to define an integer grade. We make grade equal KBD dot next integer, or the user and decimal digits. We change the integer to double. Here we change the integer. Oh, that's the first step. The second step, make an if statement. We write if the grade it's bigger than 90, we write excellent. We check that. For example, 5 to 5. There's no answer. We write 99. Excellent. But it's so poor and it's a failure program. We don't need that. We need another conditions. We have another thing to if statement. It's called else if. What that? If the first statement not verified, we go to another statement is else if. For example, grade less than 90. We return that. Excellent. And we write for the user, you are so bad. We check the program and write, for example, 99. Excellent. Again, we write 70. You are so bad. It's still poor. We need a professional program. I will teach you another statement, else. Else, if a statement not verified and else if not verified, the else code will be run. For example, make go out. And we write and grade it's bigger than 0. For example, -1. Go out from our university. I will make some modifications to this program and I will back to you. Okay, I'm back. That's the program. We run the program and write, for example, 100. A, you have got an A. For example, we write 85. B, because the first it's not verified, it will go to another statement. It's verified and write B. It's so the other are the same. For example, we write -7. You are joking, get out. Why? Because from the if to last else if it's wrong, it will be go to the else and run the code. Okay, we finish the part 1 of if statement. We go to another part of if we need to compare two things, for example, strings. We don't need a math or a numbers. We need to compare, for example, the names. How to do this? We define an string name equal, for example, cat. If we need to compare if it's equal or not equal, we write name dot equals ignore case. Equals if the name equal, we need, for example, cat. The ignore case, it's ignore upper or lower case. It's not important. We write hello my catty. Cancel that. We don't see anything. I will teach you another thing if that not equal to cat. For example, if we need the thing, it's not equal to another thing. How to make that? Also, we can use it in math. We write
exclamation mark.
Okay. Anything. Run it. Hello, my catty. If the name, the cat, dot equal ignore case don't equal to that, please run that code. For example, we remove that and write a math age integer age equal 99. Integer age equal 99. If the age don't equal 66, please write hello my cat. I will teach you a very fast trick. Let's go and see what's the trick. We write age integer age equal 99. The age equal 99 Please write A. If the age equal 99, please write B. Else if the age equal not 8, right? C. Else, right? F. Before I run this program, please guess what's the output. The output will be A and B. Why A and B? Because if the age is 99 equal 99 and that's true, will be right A. You think that the program will be stopped, but that's wrong. Because we have another if, not else if, we have another if. We check the another if and we make a compare between two things. Age 99 equal 99. It's true and will be right B. But if we change that, we write 88. What is the output? The output will be only B. Why? Because we check if the age is 99 equal 88. False. We ignore that. We go to the another statement is if, but the last if and we match with the else if and else. It's like a group. We remove that. It's wrong. We ignore to write A. The second if it's true, we write B. 88 and 99. What's the output? Output is A and F. As we talk about, the first F is like a group, and the F, last F, and else if and else like a group. The Java check the first if is true, we write A. And if the second if is false, we go to the else if. It's false, we go to the else and write if. If we write if age equal 99. Okay, what's the output? The output will be A, okay, F. The first F is like a group. If it's true, the output will be right A. Let's go to the second F. It's like a group alone. If it's true, we write okay. We go to the last if and match to else if and else. If true, we write B, but it's wrong. Go to else if. It's wrong. We go to the else and write this code. If we write 99, what's the output? Output A, okay, B. It's the first three F is true. If we make all wrong, 88. But the else if it's true, 99. What's the output? The output will be only C. Why? Because all this is wrong. The last if is wrong. The Java will be go to the else if and check it's true. Write the code and stop this program. That's a trick. I think we finish this if statement. That's all for today.